How to massage the muscles of the upper back. The key muscles of this area include the trapezius, rhomboids, levator scapulae, and erector spinae. Start between the spine and the shoulder blade, and then move up. Use the Verve to target tight muscle knots and trigger points. Use the sport if you want to cover a wider area, or if you wish to work on both sides simultaneously. Park the massager on a tight spot for 15 to 30 seconds. For a more powerful massage, use the Mini Pro. For best comfort and relaxation, let the person lay down. For a deeper massage, apply some light pressure with your fingertips. The long, ergonomic handle of the sport makes it easy to reach all muscles. For a more powerful massage, use the Mini Pro. Check out our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Stay active.